As a young lawyer, how can you keep your career options open? What does this mean? This means actually that you should be able to pursue your career in a variety of areas. So if you are studying in LLB course, by the time you graduate, if you choose, you should be able to pursue a career in litigation, which is rewarding for you, or you should be able to pursue a law firm job, or you should be able to go in-house in a company, or you should be able to start something of your own. Wow, that's a lot of things, right? Now, that exactly is what we are looking at. If you're saying you want to keep your options open as a young lawyer, then from day one, you've got to know that your level of insight, depth, and understanding of what you need to do as a lawyer needs to be that much wider and deeper. It doesn't mean that you can afford to do less. For many people who want to keep their career options open, they split over their internships every year for one kind of for under one kind of senior. For example, that's the standard law school curriculum, right? First year you intern with an NGO, second year district court, third year Supreme Court, fourth year corporate law firm. But what does this lead to? It leads to you learning practical aspects or getting exposed to practical work only from one vacation to another, and in the middle you do not have a continuity. Okay, now what you need to do is, I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, don't worry. What you need to do is, in college, in 5 years or in 3 years, you will learn at least 50 subjects. And technically, to be able to have multiple career options open, you could master 50 areas and have 50 different career options open for you. But we're talking just about, say, 3 or 4. Most people struggle to get even one area to open up for them. Like most people are struggling to get one job by the end of 5th year. But what you're looking at here is what to do if I want 3 options for myself. That's a big deal. So to do that, you will need to start early. You will need to gain some level of proficiency beyond what the average intern gets. So you want a litigation opportunity and you want a law firm opportunity. Okay, now you cannot do this at the end of 4th year you intern with a corporate law firm, get a PPO. Okay, now how do you open up your doorway for litigation also? So you've got to have had that traction with a senior who you work for, who's already gotten that kind of value that he's also willing to give you a PPO that pays you enough to survive in litigation, right? Can you imagine how much effort that's going to take? You've got to start early. You've got to start in your 1st year, 2nd year, as soon as you can, because that's what's going to give you that edge. And it is important to feel that kind of confidence and security also. You know, most people say that they want some kind of security, that's why they want to do jobs. Now you can get that security by just working harder and smarter from your 1st and 2nd year. And when you have an abundance of options, that's a kind of security that will actually give you confidence. Okay, then you can choose. You want a job, or you want the life of an independent practitioner, or you want to be a senior, you want to be a junior under a senior lawyer. That's your choice. But that confidence has a different value. Okay, so if you are going to have multiple options open, you will have to work that much harder, and it is not a license to take it easy or to wait. You might wait before you decide which one to specialize in, but you cannot wait to acquire and stride on 2 or 3 parallel paths and move forward. So let me know what you take away from this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask by commenting. Thank you.